Hello everyone, this is a new thing happening for me. John isn't here, he's been in the office all day today at Hungerford, and I've been away 5 nights staying with my granddaughter because my daughter's away, has been away on holiday. So I've just got in and I thought I've got to do him something quick for tea. It's our first meal properly together for 5 nights, so come on Susie, whisk something up quick. And I just had a message from a lady who asked me if I would do, I must have mentioned in one of my videos, Italian dish, and it's sausage meat and carrot. I thought, I've got sausages in, I've got carrots in, I've got it all in. So let's do this super quick and let's see if I can do this on my own. I'm just going to swing you around, show you what I've got, and then we're going to cook. Okay, in my pan I've got 1 small red onion and 1 small white onion, okay, and it's got a tablespoonful of butter and about 1 tablespoonful of olive oil, and I'm just sautéing that off just gently. Our main ingredients today is the sausage meat and the carrot. So there we've got the grated carrot. Now you can hand grate this. There's 4 carrots in there because I'm actually making a really big quantity. There's 4 carrots in there. But I actually used my food processor. If you've got one of them, great, but if not, just an old-fashioned grater. It's not that difficult. Sausages, they're pork chipolatas, they're Waitrose premium sausage, high meat content, and I've took the skins off, guys, okay? Chicken stock, I'm using, because I'm doing double quantity, 2 stock cubes, okay, in 8 ounces of water. Oregano, we're putting in 2 to 3 teaspoonfuls of that. Just watch I'm not burning my onions, seeing as I'm almost. This clip, this very short clip, will not have all the beautiful footage that John manages to get in for me. Sorry guys, I'll apologise now. Okay guys, that's the sausage all finely crumbed into the onion. Break it as fine as you can. This is a non-stick pan, so I can't use a fork. But if you're using a stainless steel frying pan, break it down with a fork, breaks it really well. Finer the better. Okay, I've just added the oregano. Now I've put 3, we love herbs, and it's a lovely Italian herb, so I've added 3 teaspoonfuls of that. You can add 1, you can add 2, whatever you fancy it, but I've gone for the 3. As I say, I'm making a large batch of this, because it freezes brilliantly. It's all cooked in this one pan, and you just literally cook up some pasta to have with it. So once that's coloured, I just want a little bit of colouring on that pork. I just like to see that, I mean it is cooked now, but I just want a little bit more colour there. Then we're going in to add the carrots, the stock, tomato, and then we just let it simmer. Be back shortly. Right, okay guys, I've just got just a hint of colour onto these sausages, lovely. So carrots gone in, that will mix up. The oregano's gone in, so we're doing that. That's the chicken stock. I'm going to put a little bit of my tomato into there to make sure I get all that stuff out. I'm not using all this tomato, by the way. I'm using 1.5 cans. Okay, and the other half can will probably go on pizzas tomorrow. Right, that looks about what I'm looking for. Okay. Right, now, last but not least, far from it least, 3 lovely, yummy bay leaves. I'm going to stir that around, show you what it likes, and then it's going to sit there for 30 minutes, just simmer away, everything cooking, all the flavours melding together, and it's going to make an amazing sauce. Okay, that's all mixed together. That's simmering away beautifully. I'm going to take my little wooden spoon out, put my lid on, and I'm going to give it 30 minutes. I will look at it, I will give it a stir, and then when I feel the carrot has to really cook down into the sauce, so you get the sweetness of the carrot blending with the tomato and the essence of it. It's delightful, absolutely lovely, lovely dish. And I'm going to put it with some, well they say they serve it in Italy with macaroni, so it wants to be a kind of heavier pasta to take a heavy sauce. See you shortly. Okay, right, this is how I want your sauce. If you're cooking this, this is how it should look. That's the carrot and everything, they've all cooked together. The bay leaf, you can do, oh, it tastes amazing. I'm just finishing off my pasta there. So any minute now I will show you the finished dish in a pasta bowl, ready for us to eat, and I'm starving. See you in a minute. Right guys, I'm just going to add the sauce to my pan of pasta. And the reason there's a little bit of pasta water left in there, I obviously don't want to freeze the pasta with this, so I'm just putting in what I think we need for the sauce, and I'll mix that to the pasta. And you'll also get the pasta water in there, which makes you kind of gives a creamy effect from the pasta. There we are, guys. It's mixed with a lovely, quite a heavy, thick pasta because it's quite a nice, clean sauce. And I'm just going to put lots of lovely, I've just done this parmesan, just grated it. Lovely. Into mine. And I apologise now, this is nothing like John's standard of videoing. But you know, I thought I'm going to miss this, you guys aren't going to get this, so there we are. And this makes a delicious, and when I said pasta water, I had drained the pasta. There was just like the essence of the water left there, not a whole ladle or anything like that, because you don't want your sauce thinning down. But it does give it just a creaminess, which is really nice. But that's all done, 30 minutes in the one pan, apart from the pasta. But it's quite doable anywhere, that dish. Especially if you buy passata, you don't need to blitz your tomatoes. Okay, hope you give this a try. Bye for now.